Informatica is a leader in enterprise cloud data management. Before going to Oracle Cloud, we're using an old version of PeopleSoft, which is no longer supported. One of the challenges that we face business-wise is that we rely heavily on IT for them to create reports so that we can provide to management. Life at Informatica has gotten a lot better since moving to Oracle Cloud because of the mobile functionality. I don't need to worry about being in the office or at home. With Oracle Cloud, we were able to reduce our department codes by 57%, our cash accounts by 90%. We were able to reduce our cross-validation rules by 92%, and that's great because it's less maintenance. We used to have more than 200 custom reports in PeopleSoft, but with Oracle Cloud, more robust reporting functionality, we only ended up with less than 50 custom reports. I'm grateful to KPMG. They help us implement the project faster with their pre-configured powered enterprise solution. On Oracle Cloud, during the first month and close, we had 0 critical issues, and that's not what I expected. That's great. It has been great working with the Oracle team. With Oracle Cloud, we were able to standardize our global processes and application footprint in 31 countries.